it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and I have no clue what number Stitch Fix this is. Last month I did that whole Dia & Co versus Stitch Fix where I put the exact same thing in the notes to my stylist to see what I got. So y'all seem to really enjoy that. But this month we're going to do just a traditional Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I have already opened everything. I've tried it all on. So there's one thing that I really like, and I hope that you guys like it too. Alright, so let me gather everything in front of me here and we'll get into it. And as always, I know most of y'all are familiar with Stitch Fix, but they charge you I think it's $20 a month for a styling fee. Yeah, 20 bucks. But whatever you keep, they deduct that $20 from. So say you keep a shirt that's 30 bucks, you only pay $10 for it because you've already paid that $20 styling fee. Also, they do a thing where if you keep all 5 items that they send you, you get an additional 25% off. So they do really great deals and stuff. I'll leave a link to sign up for Stitch Fix down below. If you're interested, click on it, check it out. I say this in probably every Stitch Fix video, and if not, every other clothing subscription box video. Stitch Fix is my favorite by far. I feel like they give me a great chance to explore other brands or like new brands that I'm not familiar with and pieces that maybe I wouldn't normally gravitate toward in a store. I get them in a box and I try them on at home and I think, that looks pretty good. So, all right, let's just get straight into it. First thing that I want to show you are these pants. So these are a pair of olive drab is the color, but they're like camo pants, but they're jeans. They've got these cute little zippers on the bottom if you wanted to open them. They're the perfect length. They're actually super snug on my ankle. They fit great. This is the brand, I think it's Cut From The Cloth. Yeah, Cut From The Cloth in a size 20. I'm obsessed with these. Please let me know what you think. Like, you've seen me or you're still seeing me try them on. Let me know what you think about these because I have a pair, I'm looking at them over here, of camo leggings that I got from, I want to say like Dress Lily or Rose Gal, one of those kind of sites. But these are so cute and so structured. These pants are $88. Next thing I want to talk about is this gray top. Y'all know gray, like shirts like this are my thing. This is from the brand Market & Spruce. It's in a size 2X. It's super soft. It's too small. And I don't know if it's it may be supposed to be fitted, but it's just, I don't like them that snug. And it may be a little too snug on me, you know what I'm saying? But the fabric is super soft. It's like a thicker material so you can't see through it. And I appreciate that. I don't know how many gray, honestly, gray tops like this that I own, so I don't need another one. But this Market & Spruce top is 28 bucks. I wonder if I could get, like, exchange it for a size larger, because then I could get it for $8. Now let's talk about this top. I'll admit I always sneak a peek at the app when my package ships so I can see what's in the box. This is so nice. This is from the brand Gold Ray. It's in a size 2X and it is this beautiful, it's actually darker in person than it's coming off on camera, but this beautiful like wine berry colored tank top, and it has these really cute ties on the sides. So I think that's a really nice detail. This one is also a little bit snug. I may need to go in and change the sizes for everything. If y'all been watching my videos for a couple years, then you know I'm a little heavier now than I was a year or two ago. And I think maybe I need to go in and switch out the sizes because I really like this and I think it would be pretty for work. Granted, I don't care for sleeveless, but I would wear it for work because it's that pretty. This Gold Ray top is $54. That's not bad at all. 54 bucks. This is such a good, like, such a nicely made top. Now to the last clothing item is this, what is it? 41 Hawthorne 2X long hunter green cardigan. Now, if I hadn't have just bought one from Torrid that's like burnt orange, and then I bought a green one that's more like a sage green, more like the color of my shirt, from Target over the summer for like $3, I would keep this. However, do I keep it anyways because I know I'll wear it, or do I need it is the real question. It's a beautiful color. It would be so pretty with a pair of leggings and boots. I have one this length in tan, and I wore the heck out of it winter last year. So I know that I'll wear it, but do I actually need to spend my money on it right now? So this is $68. Ooh. Now I want to talk about the last thing. I'm going to grab them. The last thing in my box. Okay, it's a pair of shoes, a pair of sandals from the brand Dibba, D-I-B-A, Dibba. They're in a size 9.5. Okay. I didn't try these on because they've already been worn. I don't know how I feel about that. You can kind of tell, you can tell a lot more in this light on the bottom. They're just like, it's just a little bit of wear and tear. I noticed it first because the logo inside is coming off. Like it's kind of been like worn a little bit. So I was like, well, that's kind of strange. Maybe that's like the way it's supposed to look, like a distressed type logo. But then when I looked on the inside, let me see which one I opened. Maybe it was this one. Let's see if I can show y'all. The inside is clear, like clearly somebody wore it and like stepped in it because like this silver part is bent. It has creases in it. So it's like you can tell. And then there's like, it's a little bit dirty here. So it makes me think maybe they sent someone these in a box, that someone wore them and then sent them back, because these I think they're 90. Yeah, these are $90. They're called the Kyra Suede Lace-Up Heel in the color Cognac. They're $90. So I'm thinking that someone got them, wore them within those 3 or 5 days that you get, and then sent them back. I mean, there's not any toe prints. I mean, because you can rub it out. See, there's a little bit right there, just a little bit of dirtiness, and you can tell that the logo is just worn a little bit. Here's the other shoe, a little bit of wear and tear, but is it supposed to be like that? I'm just a little confused. And then let me open it so you can see. See those creases right here? That just tells me that someone like walked in it like this. So the shoes are definitely going back. I want to keep the camo pants and that long green cardigan. That's just a lot of money. I spend a lot of money on clothes already, and I've gotten into this phase where I tell myself, if it's expensive but it's great quality, then buy it because you'll like it. You'll appreciate it. It will last longer. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below, what you like. If you don't like anything, I appreciate when y'all tell me. I don't really care for anything. Send it all back. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Alright, so that's a wrap on this video. As I said in the beginning, I will post a link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!